Hello, in this video I'll just be quickly going through how to customize and edit the pages on your Shopify store. So first of all, we just want to go over to Online Store on the left-hand side, and the main thing we'll be working on is the customizer. So once you're at this page, you'll see the theme that we have on, and you'll see the customize button right next to it. Once you select it, you'll go into this page builder. It will show you on the left-hand side the different elements that you're using. So as I hover over slideshow, it'll show this is the slideshow section. Same thing with featured collections, image with text, etc. When you hover over the specific elements as well, it'll let you edit, and you'll see a little section on the right-hand side. This is where you can change any content, such as the title of headings, the color of the background, text, and sections like that. This works with all these sections, so let's say this Baylor section, we want to change the headings. We'll see each column has their own section here on the left-hand side. So column 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we want to edit the third column, we'll just select that here, or just select straight on the column. And then here we can change the title and the content underneath it. There's also a section for the buttons. Let's say we want to add a button here, and we can link it to a product page or a custom link. So once you're done with that page, you just want to click Save at the top right, and then go on to the next. So here we can also edit the products. So this is the product template. So we'll just select default product here. And same thing as here, we can set the different sections we want to edit. So this is just the description, the rates, and then if you click on the whole section, you'll be given some other options, like options to show the SKU, product rating, how you want the media set out, either the left or the bottoms, transition effects, etc. And then scrolling a little further down, we'll see the product tabs. Here we have our different tabs here, and the content that goes inside them. And just below that is the reviews and the related products. We also have a version, so we have the default product and we also have commercial product. Commercial is if it's an inquiry-based product, so here we just have the button, we can change the text here, and same thing with the product tabs. Along with this, you also have collections, so here we have the default collection. This will be pretty empty unless we have something specific to add, but page title up the top, and then the collections here. And then on the right hand side we can see the sort by, how many rows for each set of products, currently set to 4, if you want to show filters, group names, etc. We also have collections list. This is all the available collections. Same thing here, you can set which image you want to add to which collection, where it links to, the overlay, the text, etc. Do we have? We have the cart and the checkout. You won't be able to make many edits to this. Apologies, we'll just go back. To the customizer. And we'll go through blogs. So same thing, you can edit the layout, how many posts per page, which sections are showing, etc. There's also blog posts, which is a single blog. So how you want that to show, if you want image at the top, and then text just below. The other main section we want to look at is pages. Some of these pages are just default, so they'll just have the page title and then whatever content you put in them. But some pages are specific templates, such as this About Us page. So if we go here, we'll see there's a video section. If we click that, you can see we can edit the text that shows up at the top here, as well as the heading, as well as choose which video, cover image, etc. Further down, you'll see the About Us section. You just click which section, and then on the right-hand side, you can change the content, as well as choose a new image at the top. This works the same on all these other pages, and similarly to each other template as well. So here we have a few other ones. There's bail of consumables, commercial inquiry, contact, fact for business, service request, but same thing for any of these. Click on the page itself. You can click the top, edit the heading and the subheading. Just make sure once any page changes are done, we click the save button at the top right. That covers those pages there, the contact FAQ for business. We also have some pages that are just content and don't have any layout designs, such as the terms and conditions, privacy policies, etc. These can just be accessed under online store here, under pages. So you'll just go to the page that you wish, and then go terms and conditions, and that'll just be the text entered there. So you can just change that text directly and then save, and then click view to see the front end. Similarly, if you want to see the front end of your other pages, you can just click view your online store here. Work the same for the shipping and delivery and all the other policy pages. It's just basic text, but you just go in, edit, and then save. One thing I also forgot to mention in the customizer, if you do want to add new sections, you can just scroll to the bottom here, it'll say add section, and then it'll give you a list as well as a preview of what that section will look like. So all you have to do is just click which section, say an image with a text block, it'll add that to the bottom, and then you can edit the heading and content there. And then if you want to move it, you can just select the dots here, and then drag to whichever section you wish. One last thing, I'll just quickly go over products and collections. So at the top here, you'll see products. These are all the available products, and we also have collections here. So collections can either be manually sorted or it's sorted by product tag or type. Most of these are tags, so let's say solar inflatable tents. We'll have the tag here. That means any products with that tag will automatically fit into that collection. You can actually also change the title and the description of these collections as well as add an image. So let's say we want something to fit into that solar inflatable tents. We'll make sure we copy that tag. And we'll go to one of our products. And we'll just add the tag here. And that'll add that to that collection. Same thing if it's a product type. It just has to fit into that type. And it'll automatically sort into that collection. For specific products, there's a bunch of different options. You can change the title here, the description, the media. You can also drag and drop which order you want this media to show. Underneath that, you'll see category, price, compare it price is like a sale price, SKU, stock, and shipping, and variations down below. So variations, you can have things like, let's say size, you want small, medium, large. Here we can add the price and stock for each of those different variants. Once you're done, just click save at the top, just discard those changes, and then you can view the product from the button there. Alright, that's about everything for managing Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you. Bye.